Yo, a smoke bowl. A smoke bowl. A smoke bowl, one thing I'll never know, 'cause you know it always glows. Every time it runs out, and it never gets low, 'cause I always low-mo. Man, 'cause you know me, I smoke till I'm going slow-mo. Oh, yeah, that's what I mean. You know me. Spine slam flipping, so I'm going on the green. You know I throw it, you know I bow it. Motherfuckers know I get it like poetry in my fucking bowl. Whenever I roll, right up to the stove, does the bowl glow? When I say for show, jump out of my roll. Whenever I smile and the bitches just know I'm that man, one with the homie, right beside him, fine clan man. And the rubies wreck my clan. It's just what we fucking said, and the time is now. Open up your mind, now look at this shit. Try to get the check signed still. Old man do it like a windmill. Going hard, making more money for all of y'all, hell yeah. And everybody wants to come with us. They wanna ride in the back of the big old bus, smoking on the best and blowing the gusto. And we smoke better than a busto. Yeah, you know me. Ooh, beast, fine slam. Whoop, whoop. Get these checks signed still, and we mind none. 'Cause when we make that money, we mind some. And we get gold, get real, get them fucking diamonds. Check my nail, check my neck, check my head. Look at me, man, I am bedded with the goddamn best on my chest. Got the fucking Superman symbol if you ain't assessing what I'm doing. Right now I'm making more money, not chopping and screwing, just doing it all natural. If I slow this shit down, I will crack the rules, I will break the shit, I will break the jaw, I will do it all. I will show these bitches I will never fall, they will crawl if they even want to try to step to me. I'll kick their ass like it's a first degree necessity. Motherfuckers don't even know you can't even get the best of me. Got that motherfucker look at this shit, don't try to put a bless on me. Motherfuckers know, you just know that I'm the one that is gonna make this one day, make more money than a Hyundai dealer on a Sunday while I'm running up there, about to fucking steal a million fucking cars and $1 million fucking dollars in bars. Whatever I gotta do, I'll get it all, give it to my homies and forget it all. We going to the death row. But we're gonna end up, yo. You know that it's gonna be bad. Death row. 'Cause I had to kill so many bitches to get where I'm at. Flip the switches and growing, yo. Motherfucker, goddamn. Don't you even know what the fuck this is? This is death row. Get your fucking head wet. You ready to fucking start wetting that bed just like fucking goddamn Daddy Ledbetter whenever he did it back in the day when he said whatever he said. I didn't even understand. He was talking about don't do it, don't make that little mistake. It just leads on to fucking worship and that really just throws your face down the trash. Got it, man, you know I did it, now I just crashed. Whole fucking life, I ain't kidding, it just splashed back at me like a big turd dropping in the toilet like mash. God